This is Citizen Cider.
We started coming here for the cider, but the food has always been fantastic.
Zucchini beet burger in the window.
They use the ciders in the food.
Deglaze them with the Prozay now.
It adds subtle sweetness, nice fruitiness to the dish.
But before that sweet and savory mashup, Brian Holmes, Justin Heilenbach, and Chris Nelson went from making cider in a basement to their own facility and restaurant. And Chef Ryan Hickey's on board, bringing it all together. So they make cider, and then
Yes.
you come up with recipes.
Yes, the cider goes in on all the food.
Oh, that's got to be my kind of team right there, huh?
Fiery apple wings going down.
I think about the wings all the time.
Kind of the perfect balance of crunch and sauce.
So we just start drinking these now, or they can actually go in?
That's this cider, or Dirty Mare cider.
Dirty Mare?
It's a ginger-infused cider.
Tell me that's not my cider. The Dirty Mare of Flavortown.
So we're making fiery apple wings, and this is sweet sparkling cider.
So that has more sugar in it?
Yep.
Next.
A sachet of black peppercorns, juniper berries, tarragon,
And bay leaf. Say hey, sachet.
water, and cider vinegar.
How long's this gonna brine?
2 days.
Then what takes place?
We toss them in our house wing rub. Paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder,
Okay.
cayenne pepper, ground black pepper.
Wings are dry rubbed.
Bake in an oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes.
Then you go to the fryer. And what kind of sauce are we making to serve these with?
Fiery apple wing sauce.
Well, that I gotta try.
We start with hot sauce, Dirty Mare, and then we take raw apple cider juice and boil it down. This is the key. Onion powder.
Cayenne and garlic.
You guessed it, sir. This cooks down for 25 minutes, and then we emulsify it with butter.
Do we give any sauce with this?
Ranch.
Let's get into it, buddy.
Yeah, I heard you like to jiggle some mayonnaise. Is that true?
Who says that to somebody? Okay, I'm sorry, creepy person. When did this become a thing to do?
Poking holes in the bottom sucks it all out.
There you go. Keep that as a souvenir, kids.
Buttermilk, sour cream, thank you.
What's your fancy trick with that one, huh?
Dried parsley, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, black pepper.
ACV,
Yes, sir. Apple cider vinegar, onion powder,
oregano,
coriander, and dill.
doctor. You making a campfire? Get after that.
Try not to splatter it everywhere.
All right, so put it all together.
Here's our house-made buttermilk ranch. This is our fiery apple wing sauce that we made earlier.
Me likey wingy. Let the games begin. This wing sauce is outrageous. You get a little heat, get a little vinegar, but you get a nice little sweet. I mean, not sweet as in the sense like sugary sweet, but a natural sweetness to it. And the meat itself has a little bit of a sweet flavor. I don't think I've had many wing sauces like that. Only thing I'm missing is a Dirty Mare.